Lac Blanc, one of the most beautiful places Europe has to offer. In this video, I'll take you back to one of the most stunning hikes in the French Alps, including one night in the outstanding mountain hut named Rifugio du Lac Blanc. So if this sounds interesting, keep watching as you don't want to miss out on this amazing experience. We are in Chamonix in 14 minutes and it's a very beautiful ride, right?
This is a very beautiful ride indeed.
And we finally made it to Chamonix. This is where we are going to sleep for the night. What? What? Hmm?
Here we have ground chili.
Mm-hmm.
We have duck, which has been roasted in the oven and sliced. And we have cucumber, carrots, onions and noodles. And then it's up to your own fantasy to mix. Start to put this in water. Okay, yeah.
You passed.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How is Simon today?
I'm good. We are getting ready for the hike. We're doing some tortellini pasta, eggs for lunch,
Coffee.
and we are ready soon
So ready.
to go on the hike. Is this one? So you follow the route 976 and it should take 2 hours. And we don't know how difficult it will be. Probably not too difficult. Let's see. So right now we have been walking for I think around an hour, including a lunch break, and so far it's as you can see, it's a very beautiful hike, but it's also very touristy and crowded, and it's not very much off the beaten track. Maybe it will come sooner in the hike, but at the beginning of the hike it's a little bit disappointing, but beautiful. Okay, we made it. We have the house right here and the beautiful lake, and yeah, it's just nice to finally be here. As you can see right now, unfortunately, it's pretty clouded. So if there's no clouds here, you can see all the beautiful mountain tops. But yeah, it's a shame, but still a very beautiful hike. And I think right now we will have a coffee and maybe a cake and just relax. Okay, and this is where we're going to sleep for tonight. I'm going to sleep up here, and my mom and uncle down here, and I think someone will come here later today and sleep in those beds, so we are not completely alone, but it's always nice with some company.
After a nice meal and relaxing for a while, we went on a small evening hike, which was simply stunning.
And this is one of the things that I really enjoy about sleeping in a guest house like this. That is that at the end of the day, everyone is going down from the mountains and only a few people are staying up here in the mountains and sleeping in the house. So you have a very nice opportunities around sunset hours and sunrise hours to get the place completely for yourself, like we have now. We've been walking for half an hour and we have this amazing landscape just for ourselves. There's literally no people at all. It's really amazing. We are back on the trail again, and we're going down the same path as where we came from yesterday. So I guess we have around 1.5 hours hiking down to the cable car. Then we'll take the cable car down, and that's where the hike will end. So nice and beautiful day in the mountains.
I want to thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. Make sure to leave a like and perhaps subscribe to my channel if you like the video. And don't miss all the useful information in the description down below if this is a hike you would like to do someday. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video.